See, in this question, we are given that a group of men and women can complete a work in 100 days. If two men in the group are replaced by two women, the new group completes the work in 80 days. If three men are replaced by three women, find the days taken to complete the work. Okay. So, in this question, how will we? First, I'll advise you to pause the video and solve the question by yourself. And if you cannot, just watch the solution and get the tips on how to solve this type of question. So, let's start. What's the formula for work? It is time into efficiency. Now, the work done by men and the work done by women is total work. Okay, so let us assume the number of men to be X and the number of women to be Y. And we can assume the efficiency of men to be M and efficiency of women to be W. So let's start. If a group of men and women can complete a work in 100 days, therefore there are X men and the efficiency of M is M. Men is M. There are Y women and the efficiency of women is W. And they work for 100 days and they complete the work, that is TW. Now, if two men in the group are replaced by two women, that is there were X men, but now there are X minus 2 men left, that is X minus 2 into efficiency of men M, and are replaced by two women, that is there were Y women, but now there are Y plus two women because two come new, that is two men are replaced by women and there are two women more in the group, and the efficiency of women is W. Now they complete the work in 80 days, that is 80 is equals to TW. We can solve this equation, and what do we need to find? The third, if three men are replaced, that is if three men are replaced, that is X minus 3, the number of men minus 3 into efficiency of M plus Y plus 3. Three women come in the group as well, and the efficiency of women is W, and the time they take to complete the work T, we don't know, we need to calculate T is equals to total work, we need to find T. Okay, so let's solve this down. We can equate the both the equations. We'll get this as xm wait we'll get this as 100 xm plus 100 yw. While multiplying this, and we'll multiply this also, this would give us 80 mx 80 xm and 160 m. Further multiplying, this will give us 80 yw plus 80 yw, and this would give us 160w. Yes, plus 160w. Now this is equal 100 xm minus 18 xm. This gives us 20 xm. 100 yw minus 80 yw gives us 20 yw. So we are left with 160w minus 160m. We can common out 20, so we are left with xm plus yw, and we can also cancel out, we can also get common out 20 from this side as well. We'll be left with 8w minus 8m. So we get this as well. Now we'll try to substitute this in this equation. How can we solve? Okay, we can get the total work from here. We know the value of xm plus wy is 8m, 8w minus 8m. Okay, we'll get the total work from here. Wait, let me rub this. The total work would become, the value of this is 8w plus minus 8m, 8w minus 8m, and into 100. So this is our total work. We can substitute this here. Wait, let me solve this further. This is our important equation. Let me write it here. Is it visible? Okay, I'll rub this is our important equation, and we can rub the other stuff. Okay, so we need to find this. We got the total work as this, and this was, we need to get the time. Okay, so how can we get the time? We'll solve this further. For getting the time, we'll divide total work, that is 8w minus 8m into 100 whole divided by this x minus 3 into m plus y plus 3 into w. Now we'll solve this further. This would be same 8 w minus 8 m into 100, and this would come out to be xm minus 3m, xm minus 3m, and yw plus 3w, yw plus 3w. See, we get xm plus yw, we have the value of that. We'll substitute this. Wait, yes, I can substitute it here as well. This is 8w minus 8m into 100, and for xm plus yw, 8w minus 8m, 8w minus 8m, and minus 3m plus 3w, minus 3m plus 3w. We are left with 8w plus 3w. That is, now we can wait, we can rub this, we don't need this equation now. Yes, what are we left with? 8w minus 8w plus 3w, that is 11w minus 8m minus 3m minus 11m, and we have we can common out 8 and w minus m into 100. We can also common out 11 from this. We can common out 11 and we'll get w minus m. W minus m gets cancelled. 800 by, we had already solved the question till here. We can now calculate the time by commoning. We can common out 8 and we'll be left with 8 into w minus m into 100, and here also we can common out, that is 8w plus 3w 11w, and 8m 3m 11m. So 11 can be commoned out and w minus m would be left. So w minus m and w minus m gets cancelled out, and this would amount to 800 by 11. So this is the required time that would they take. See, this was a lengthy question. I'll not say that it was a easy, but it was a good question. Solve this again if you don't get, and comment if you don't get the concept. I'll solve it again by a different approach, an easy approach but a lengthy one. Thank you.